Hi guys, welcome to our channel Getfully. Today I am just quickly unboxing a most popular badminton racket, which is Yonex Musclepower 2. I got it from Flipkart. I just already opened this product. I just open this one again for you. See, this is the bat. This is the Musclepower Yonex Musclepower 2. That's the exact name of this bat, and I bought it from Flipkart for rupees 769. And let's see the bat. This is the Yonex. Nice protection covers and all. This is the exact bat. See, there's some graphics and all provided there. There's a good cover, which is priced here. The MRP is on the price tag is 1150, but from Flipkart I got it for 700 only. And nice graphics here, you can see this, and here also nice finishing. The string is also tight. Okay, fine. The great product from Yonex, and yeah, great packing and everything is fine. Normally the Musclepower 2 is suggested for the attacking players by playing the badminton, and this is one of the cheap and best bat which is available in the online market. Okay, that's the quick review of Yonex Musclepower 2. Thanks for watching, and please like, comment and subscribe our channel Getfully. Thank you. Thanks a lot.